Feeling the frustrating loop of automated phone systems when you just need a simple answer about your Capital One account? We've all been there. You have a quick question about a payment, a suspicious charge, or you just need to activate a new card, and you want a fast path to a solution. Capital One offers multiple ways to get help, but knowing the right channel for your specific issue can save you a huge amount of time. In this video, we're cutting through the noise to give you the clearest, most direct ways to contact Capital One customer service, whether you want to talk to a person or just get a quick answer online. Let's start with the digital routes, which are often the fastest for routine tasks. Your 24/7 go-to is Eno, Capital One's virtual assistant. You can chat with Eno in the Capital One mobile app or through the online banking website after you sign in. Eno is available 24/7 and can handle things like checking your account balances, showing recent transactions, paying your bill, and even locking or unlocking a lost card. To chat with Eno on the go, you can even text your questions to 227 to 898 after you've confirmed your consent to receive texts through your online account. For anything more complex than what Eno can handle, or if you simply prefer to talk to a human, the phone is your next best option. Capital One has several dedicated phone lines depending on your specific product. For credit card customer service, the primary number is 1-800-CAPITAL, which is 1-800-227-4825. It's always smart to call the number on the back of your specific card, as it will direct you to the most appropriate team. If you have a bank account, like a checking, savings, or money market account, the number to call is 1-800-655-2265. Their bank customer service hours are typically 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern Time, any day of the week. If you're unsure where to even start, or you have multiple products like a credit card and an auto loan, a great general inquiry number that will direct you to the right department is 1-877-383-4802. Pro tip: if you're looking for the shortest wait time on the phone, your best bet is to call right when they open, which is typically 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Finally, for the most serious and urgent situations, you should know these two specialized contacts. If you need to report fraud on a credit card, you can call 1-800-427-9428. And for certain errors or questions about electronic funds transfers or bill payments that Eno can't help with, you should call 1-888-464-0727. Whether you're tapping the chat icon for Eno or calling a dedicated line, the key is matching your need to the right contact method for the fastest resolution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.